Welcome. Today we are tackling LeetCode problem 2390, removing stars from a string. This is a fantastic problem to practice sequential processing and data structure selection. We are given a string, s, that contains lowercase English letters and star characters. Our goal is to process this string and return the final result. Let's carefully analyze the core operation allowed. The problem states, choose a star in the string, remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. We must repeat this until all stars are gone. Crucially, the constraints guarantee that the operation is always possible, meaning we will never try to delete a character when none exists to the left. The key phrase here is, closest non-star character to its left. As we process the string from left to right, the most recently seen character is the first one that should be deleted when we encounter a star. This last in, first out behavior perfectly describes a stacked data structure. We will use a stack to simulate this process, pushing normal letters, and popping when we see a star. A common pitfall is trying to modify the string directly using string replacement or slicing inside a loop. Because strings are immutable in many languages, creating a new string for every deletion takes linear time. Doing this repeatedly inside a loop would result in an O of n squared time complexity. Given the string length can be up to 100,000, this will cause a time limit exceeded error. Let's rigorously derive the solution using the first example, the string leet **** cod ***e. We will process this string character by character from left to right. To keep track of the characters we want to keep, we initialize an empty stack. Think of this stack as a vertical container. Currently, our stack state is completely empty. We start with an empty stack. The first character our pointer reads is L. Since L is a lowercase letter and not a star, we apply our storage rule. We perform a push operation, appending L to the stack. Our intermediate stack state is now a single element, the letter L. With our stack currently holding L, we advance the pointer and read the next character, E. Applying the same condition, E is a regular letter, so it must be kept. We execute a push operation, adding E to the top of the stack. The resulting stack state is now L, followed by E. Our stack holds L and E. The third character is another E. Because it is not a star, the rule dictates we store it. We perform a push operation, appending this second E to the stack. The intermediate stack outcome is now L, E, and E at the top. Currently, the stack contains L, E, E. The next character we encounter is T. As a standard letter, it satisfies the condition to be added. We execute a push operation. The new intermediate state of our stack becomes 4 elements, L, E, E, and T at the very top. Our stack state is L, E, E, T. The next character is a star. The problem's rule states we must remove the closest non-star character to its left. In our stack, this is exactly the top element. We perform a pop operation, removing the T. The resulting intermediate stack is L, E, E. With the stack at L, E, E, we read another star. We apply the deletion rule again, targeting the most recently added character. We execute a pop operation, removing the E from the top of the stack. Our stack shrinks, and the new intermediate state is just L and E. The stack currently holds L and E. Advancing our pointer, the next character is C. Since C is a regular letter, we revert to our storage rule. We perform a push operation, appending C. The intermediate stack state updates to 3 elements, L, E, and C. Our stack is L, E, C. The next character in the sequence is O. Being a non-star character, it must be kept. We execute a push operation, adding O to the top. The resulting stack state grows to L, E, C, and O. Currently, the stack contains L, E, C, O. We read the next character, D. As it is a standard letter, we apply the push rule. We perform the append operation. The new intermediate state of our stack is L, E, C, O, and D. Our stack state is L, E, C, O, D. The next character is our final star. Applying the deletion condition, we must remove the top element of the stack. We perform a pop operation, which removes the D. The resulting stack state is L, E, C, O. With the stack at L, E, C, O, we read the final character, E. Since it is a regular letter, we apply the storage rule one last time. We execute a push operation, appending E. The final intermediate stack state is L, E, C, O, E. We have finished iterating. We have successfully processed all characters. The problem requires us to return a single string, but currently, we have a list of individual characters in our stack. To get our final answer, we perform a string join operation. We combine the elements in the stack from bottom to top, resulting in the string LeetCode. Let's map our derivation to the Python code. We initialize an empty list called stack. We then iterate through each character char in the input string s. The logic is a direct translation of our rules. If char == we handle the deletion by calling stack.pop. The else block handles normal characters by calling stack.append. After the loop finishes, our stack contains all the characters that survived the star removals, exactly in the correct order. The final step is return.join. This efficiently concatenates all elements in the list into a single string, which is our required output. This matches our manual derivation perfectly. Finally, let's verify the complexity. We iterate through the string of length n exactly once. Both the append and pop operations on a stack take O of one constant time. Therefore, the overall time complexity is strictly O of n. The space complexity is also O of n in the worst-case scenario where there are no stars, and we push every character onto the stack.